Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In that they call it cyber block in Japanese, Suguru. In additional, in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, June the 1st, 2023. Today's actually Sunday, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. So the last puzzle I will do is the tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Tectonic with 4 stars, number 6539. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Told you earlier, 10 printed digits. Should be a hard one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. We will see if this is really a hard one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box, always a 1. Do we have here double boxes? Next question, in this puzzle I see only 1 double box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes? I see here a triple box, contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. I need more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. Should be a 4 now. And the other side here, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So let me mark this with 4 or a 5. More triple boxes in this puzzle? No. Quadra boxes. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra. Oh, overlook this duo box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right, overlooked. Quadra boxes, let me check. No quadra boxes. Okay, quadra boxes contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Okay, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the L shape upside down. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No L shapes. Only 1 L shape here. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yeah. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Overlook this L shape. I thought it was only 1. No, we have 2 L shapes. This one is rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Overlook this one. Okay, and the T shape, there are 2 also. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Okay, 1 or a 2. All right. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one of them. Then the last shape, I believe this is the last shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 3 there. If I place the 3 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So not the solution, place the 3 there, the only place left for 3 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. And those 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, let me mark those. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Yeah. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1, because it, no, not the 1, the 1 could be also a 2. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to think. These 2 boxes can be 2. This box can be a 1. and that box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means that these two boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So the other pair in this area should be numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Here also, two numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 4 and a 5. Okay. This box gave me a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 here. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. It's not the solution, place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. So two numbers left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4 are left. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Okay, these are 3 boxes around the 3 can be 3. And those two boxes can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Two numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Two numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. Let me think. How about these two boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this connected with that box should be also a 1. Two numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5 left. Oh, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, and now, let me think. This box can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. I think the box should be here. The 2 should be here because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 here. Then. Let me see. Well. 1, 2, 3. Let me think. Well. 1, 2 need. 2. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. Come on. 1, 2. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And the 3 could be... No. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Oh, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here. So this box can be a 5. But also that box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. So the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. The 5 is in the same area, yeah. Definitely 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 is 2, and the 1 we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. I marked those 2 boxes with 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give it a 2 stars, although it has 10 printed digits. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku, yeah. Samurai Sudoku, I need more than an hour to solve, and yeah, I want to solve it within an hour, so we'll see if this I can manage in the evening. Until then, bye bye for now.